हाँ जी, वेलकम करते हैं तुहाडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਕਰੀਅਰ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਸੋ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਆ ਵੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੀ ਅਪਡੇਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕੇ। ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਕਾफ़ੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੇ ਇਹ GMC ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਕਾफ़ੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ GMC ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮ ਫਿਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ 28 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਆ। ਸੋ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। सो आप GMC की भी तैयारी करिया करांगे। सो आप फस्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेने GMC दे GMCH का जो एग्जाम होया सी पिछला प्रीवियस ओदी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ने ये एग्जाम दे विच आए हुए ने। सो बाकी नाल ये बाबा फरीद यूनीवर्सिटी CHO एग्जाम दे लिए भी काफ़ी हैल्पफुल वीडियो। सो वीडियो नूं एंड तक जरूर देखा करो। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं फस्ट क्वेश्चन। You have been asked to formulate a research question using a PICO format. So which of the following is correct? So P stand for protocol, I stand for individuals, C stand for comparison, O stand for opportunity. So right answer is C stand for comparison, option C. Then move to the second question. PICO stand for patient population, intervention, comparison and outcomes. So right answer is पहला options देख लेने immunization of children, advice on safe sex practice to adolescent, giving medications to the patient in the ward, and last is screening for lipid disorder in adult. So PICO stand for patient population, intervention, comprehension and outcomes, and giving medication to the patient in the ward. So option C is the right answer. Third, which of the following statement is an example of subjective data? Blood pressure in right arm, supine position 130/90 mmhg. So patient say I am having nausea. C, sister note file, patient had redness over left lateral module. And last is oral temperature 39 degrees centigrade. So which of the following statement is an example of subjective data? It's a patient says I am having nausea. So it's a subjective data. Option B. Next, which of the following highest level of need in Maslow hierarchy of basic human needs? So what is the Maslow hierarchy of basic human needs? Self-esteem, safety and security, self-sacrifice, self-actualization. So highest level of need in Maslow hierarchy is self-actualization. Option D is the right answer. Next, fifth, Mr. Mehta tells her friend that she is having fever, calf muscles, will not go to work but rest at home her, assuming a sick role, becoming a patient, achieving recovery, experiencing system. So Mr. Mehta tells her friend that he is having fever, calf muscles, will not go to work but rest at home. So it's a experiencing symptoms. Option D. Next, sixth, the example that most closely defined as a disability is loss of limb, injury to limb, inability to walk, unemployment. So example that mostly closely define a disability is inability to walk. Option C. Next, question number 7. An intern order intravenous morphine for a case of head injury, knowing that morphine may be harmful in the case. Nurse does not administer injection but ask for confirmation of senior doctor. She has followed the bioethics. Options ne sincerity, non-malfeasance, autonomy, fidelity. So non-malfeasance is the right answer. Option B. Next, question number 8. In trying to relieve the pain of a patient, nursing sister asks him to identify real happy scene he has experienced. So this is called guided imaginary relaxation therapy, hypnosis, so transentia malleation. So the right answer is it's a guided imaginary. Option A is the right answer. Next, move to the 9th. In a hospital, following age group child admitted affected with influenza 13, 13, 16, 17, 18, 20 and 21, 22. So which of the following statement by the nurse is correct? Options name, the mod is 17.4 years, mean is 17 years, median is 17 years and last is the median is 7.5 years. So child admitted in which following age group? affected by the influenza, its age. The median is 17 years age. Option C. Next, last question is on seeing an elderly lady misplace her spectacles. A nurse tell her colleague all old people are forgettable. So her comment is a form of eulogy, Daniel, racism, stereotyping. So on seeing an elderly lady misplace her specs, a nurse and her colleague all old people are forgettable. So her comment is a stereotyping. Option D. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ। ਬਾਕੀ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਚੈਨਲ 'ਤੇ ਆਇਆ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ। ਸੋ ਡੇਲੀ 2 ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਆ ਵੀ ਐਂਡ ਤੱਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ। ਸੋ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੈਲਪਫੁਲ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਓਕੇ ਗਾਈਜ਼।